Homes and buildings can be a lot of fun to illustrate. From designing interesting shapes and layouts to adding quirky details and textures, there's loads of room to play around with narrative and personality in order to design a setting that is totally unique and full of character. Hi, I'm Sarah Holliday and I'm an illustrator and top teacher on Skillshare. The work I like to make is very story-driven and imaginative. That's why I really enjoy illustrating houses, because you can get totally stuck into your imagination and dream up something completely new with its own sense of wonder and atmosphere. In this class, we're going to be designing and illustrating houses in Procreate. So as well as introducing you to some of my favourite Procreate tools, such as the Symmetry tool, Quick Shape tool, clipping masks, and much more, I'll show you how we can design unique, eye-catching homes by playing with shape, colour, texture, and detail. We'll start off by writing out a short brief for ourselves and finding inspiration, before making quick studies and moving on to explore rendering textures and designing with shapes. I'll then walk you step by step through my process for illustrating an interesting, characterful home, so that you'll be able to follow along and create your own unique design. While this class is beginner friendly, it's also suitable for any artist who wants to improve their illustration skills and gain more practice in Procreate. I'll be explaining how to get started in Procreate and showing you how to use my favourite tools as we go along, so even if you've never used the app before, you'll be able to join in. To take this class, you'll need an iPad with Procreate installed and an Apple Pencil. So if all that sounds like fun and you're ready to draw some imaginative homes with me, then let's get started.